Hey, if you're a video editor struggling to scale, this is a quick message for you. My name is Colin, aka Editor Colin Online. If you don't know me, I was ranked the #1 video editor on YT Jobs in 2025. I retired my mom with video editing at the age of 21, and I make over $12,000 every single month for the last year with video editing. Now, on screen is my school community. It's called Six Figure Editor. In here, you get daily access to me every single day, so I can answer your specific questions about your specific situation. We have a 6-module course on how to scale as a video editor, how to position yourself as premium, how to increase your rates, how to grow your personal brand to over 7,000 followers across multiple platforms as I have, the difference between good and bad outreach, how to create systems that allow you to stop trading your time for money, and much, much more. Obviously, the students in here are absolutely loving it. Here are some of the results they're getting on screen. We got people getting clients at Streamers University, people going from $0 to $4,000 a month in their first month, people moving out to their own apartment, and much, much more amazing results every single day, as well as weekly group video Q&As, a bunch of super valuable tips and advice, and just a great brotherly community where everyone answers each other's questions and roots for each other. So great community here, only $50 as well. So if you get one client from what you learn, which you'll probably get a lot more if you implement what I have to say, you'll be making at least a 50 to 100x return on your money. So highly recommend it if you're struggling scaling as a video editor. Link is in my Twitter bio. And yeah, have a great day. Best of luck scaling, and I can't wait to see you inside the school community, Six Figure Editor.